Hey there everyone, so I am going to be unboxing my box that I received today. I'm excited because I've been waiting for this thing for a very long time. So I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm going to show you guys what I got. Alright, so let's see here. It's kind of heavy and I think it's because I ended up getting brochures in this package. It comes all nice and neat. So first it comes with my invoice, and I got brochures. If you guys want a brochure, give me, send me a message. Send me a message. I can mail it out to you, or I can even send you a digital copy so you don't have to wait for it. But I got brochures for days. Again, you can send me a digital copy. I can send you a digital copy. Sorry. It's been a long day, you guys. I had a very busy day today, and I'm finally being able to unbox my box that I received. All right, baby oil. Right here, I got this baby oil from Dr. Tuna, dye-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, liquid paraffin-free, and it is baby oil. All right, next thing I got are some samples. So if you guys want samples to be mailed out to you, let me know. Claim your samples. Claim your samples. Okay, next thing I have is the Star Look mascara. All right, let's see here. This is what it looks like. If I can open it. You guys, Farmasi has like the best products out here. Can't open it. Has the best products, vegan, natural, and this is what the mascara looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the Star Look Black and Full Lashes Mascara. If you guys have any questions, you guys let me know. This is the matte lipstick with a vitamin E, you guys, with vitamin E. And let's take a look. Look how cute this is. It's like black, just like its other products. They're all black. I love this. Super cute. All right. This one I'm not gonna open because it is actually for a customer. But this one is 03. If you guys want to look at the color, it's the 03 matte lipstick. It's the regular lipstick. It's not the one that stays on all day. But this one's super cute too. Okay, we got some matte lipsticks, the ones that we got some matte lipsticks that actually stay on all day, you guys. So we have the Sweet Cherry. We have the Superstar. It's like a red color. And then we have the Red Love. This is a bright red. All right, and then this one is the Sunset Breeze, number 8. Sunset Breeze. And then we have a black eyeliner pencil, super cute. And that's it, you guys. That's all I have. If you have any questions, you guys let me know. I do want to share this opportunity with you. You get for $20, for just $20, one time, no annual, no monthly fee. For just 20 bucks, you will get the starter kit, you guys. You will get the starter kit that comes with a couple of bags. It comes with a few samples. It comes with a few brochures, and it comes with information in regards to the products, and there's even a color matching catalog. So you will get started with just this for $20. And as soon as you sign up, you are automatically eligible to get 50% off your products. And when you run your business, you'll get 50% commission, you'll get bonuses, you'll get a bunch of perks. You guys, today is the day that you guys say yes to a new journey. If you guys are ready to start your new journey, I am here to help you every step of the way. Every step. Well, you guys, this is all I had for you guys today. Just wanted to show you the products that I got in the box that I received today. Again, if you guys want a catalog, if you guys want me to send you a digital brochure, that way you guys don't have to wait for it, you guys let me know, I can send it for you. And I will talk to you guys later. Check out my Facebook, is where I be doing lives. That's where I will be doing giveaways. This last time I did a mother's giveaway, and somebody was the lucky winner to receive an eyeshadow trio, nail polish, and something else, I can't remember what else. Nail polish. Anyways, they got their giveaway. But go ahead and follow me, hit subscribe right down below. And if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to hit like and place any comments below.